Oh yes, you're welcome back. We are now going to work on the main body. Here I'm going to add about, let's say, 6 boxes with different pictures. 6 boxes with different pictures. This is where the product, okay, the product for this website is going to be. Okay, so 6 boxes is what I'm going to add. So I'm quickly going to go to this place. Then I'll go to main body here. So I will create a div. Create div class equals to here I'm going to call it product, maybe product container, something like this. Then I close it. All right, then I'll come down here and close the box. Okay, then inside this box now I'm going to add image. Okay, oh sorry, I will say img. Okay, what I'm going to do is that inside this box I'm going to create 2 boxes here. Okay, the first box will be okay, is there a need for the boxes? Okay, let me I'm going to let me check. Do I need to create boxes for this? Okay, let me just create boxes. The first box for image, so I will say div, the first div now, class, call it image box or product box. Okay, product box, okay, make a space. Then I'll come down and create another div. Maybe I'll come up here. When I just copy this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, maybe I'll close this up. Then I'll call this description box. Maybe desk box. So that's product desk box. Okay, description box, whatever. Okay, now that's said, then I'll now come here, add the image. Inside this product box, I'll add the image that I want to add. Okay, img src, then add the images folder, then car. I'm going to add car.jpg for now, maybe .jpg. Maybe later I'll look for cars to replace it. Okay, well, let me just add only one picture. All right, so that's said. Then here now I'm going to put maybe H4 or H4. Okay, here I'm now adding the name of the product. Let's say Venza 2010 model. Venza 2010 model. Oh, sorry. Then you close H4. Okay, then under it, maybe here you're going to add paragraph. Let me add paragraph here. So I'm going to call this one price. The price will be maybe 5 million. 5 million. Do you understand? You close paragraph. Okay, so that said, let's check what we have here. Do you see that we added one box with picture of the image, the name of the product, and the price of the product. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to style it. After styling it, then we'll duplicate it. Okay, so we're going to style this. We're going to use the product container. We're going to style the product container. Let's quickly go here. We're going to rush it quickly. Style the product container. Okay, we're going to make it first of all, before starting of the product container, we are first of all going to style main body, because we're going to use this main body. We're going to convert this main body to flex first. So we're going to convert the main body to flex. Okay, then display flex, then flex wrap. We're going to call it wrap so that it will wrap. The flex will wrap. Then you can now come here. You say flex basis. Flex basis. That's the size of the highest size of this flex basis. Call it let's say flex basis should be, for now let's put for 400 pixels for now. Maybe later we'll see. Okay, then you put any need for padding here, any need for padding. Okay, just let's just put color white, background color white. Then what again? Shadow, box shadow, box shadow. Okay, just 0.05 pixel. Gray, not gray. Silver. Let's put silver. Let me make it silver. Okay. Okay. So here now we'll come here. We'll duplicate this. We're going to see how this thing is going to look. Then come here, call the image. Then you say width 100%. Width 100%. Okay. So that's it. Let's see what we have. Do you see that? Do you see what we have now? The image has rhymed with the product box, and it's looking quite great. Okay, it's looking quite great. Even though the padding. Okay, let me check something here. Padding top and bottom here. Padding. Okay, I made up and down to be. Oh, the padding should be. I should come here and remove this padding. It should be 50 pixel. Oh, okay. Let me leave it 50 pixel up. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come to this body. I'm going to come to this body. Where is the body again? Here, the main body here. So I'm going to make padding. I'm going to overwrite the padding above. So top and bottom should be 50 pixels, left and right. Same 50 pixel. Okay, so 50 pixel. Let me see what I have. Let me see if it's well overwritten. Okay, down. It is overwritten now, so we have space. You can still make it 100 pixels if you want to, but let me leave it 50 pixels. Let me use space, this 50 pixel space for all. Even this one, I'm going to also make it 50 pixel. I'm going to overwrite the one above as well. Let me make it 50 pixels as well. Let me look for slider bar content. Yeah, here, no, slider bar. All right, pardon, 50 pixels. Yeah. So that said, so the first, the first item is entered, but we are going to style this. We are going to make it, give it padding and the center it, make it look great. So I'm going to go back here. Maybe when I come here, let me change H4. So let's say H3 to make it a bit bigger. H3. All right, now we're going to style the desk box. Okay, that's the description box. All right, so we're going to put padding, maybe 20 pixel padding. Then font size. Text align. I'm gonna. Okay. Oh, sorry. Don't worry about text align. You know we have paragraph. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to come here now, duplicate this, then we'll say desk I believe H3, right? H3, comma, because we want to give them equal padding or something like that. Then paragraph P. Okay, how do I do? Okay, let me do it differently. Okay, let me do it differently. Padding, not padding. Is it padding that I want to give it? Okay, yeah, I want to give it font size, font, text align, center. Then I will now come here. This one is for the paragraph. The paragraph maybe text align again, center. Then I will style it further. I will put font size 9, let's say 18 pixel. All right, let's check it out. All right, so I think that makes sense. So, but we are going to separate this down from this. We are going to give space padding. So we're going to put padding, little padding for this one. Maybe padding bottom. Give it 10 pixel. Maybe give this color. Give it color orange for the heading. All right, you see, we've been able to create the box and it's looking fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to duplicate this box. Okay, we're going to duplicate the box. Maybe before we duplicate, but let me add hover effect to this description box. Just hover, or not description, to the product container. Let me add hover effect to it. Maybe down here, let me create space here. Just take your time and follow me as I code this, okay? You will enjoy every bit. If you get confused, play the video again so that you get connected. Then I'll add hover. When you hover over this box, what will happen? It will add border to it. It will add border to it, but it will give you 1 pixel border, solid. Then color will be orange. You know, we are combining orange. Orange is our main color here with white and black. Okay. So if I hover this, see what happens. If I leave, let me give it thicker, but let me give it like 3 pixel. Sorry. Okay. Then maybe I will put transition here. Transition 1 second. Something like this. So it will transit 1 second when you hover. Do you see that? It will just transit. Great. All right. So it's working fine. All right. Now I'm going to duplicate this product page, product, into 6. I'm going to duplicate it into 6. Where am I now? Okay. So go to this place now. This is the product page here. Maybe let me give a space here and give a space here. Then I will now duplicate it. 2. And then let this one 3. Maybe I will copy all now. So I will get 6 products. I just copied the 3 and pasted them once. Then I will now get 6 products here. You see this one, this 2, this 3, this 4, this 5, this 6. Good. Then we save, we check. Okay, you see how it is? Okay, what we're going to do is that we're going to actually reduce the size a little bit, the size of this a little bit, and give space. You know, it doesn't have space. And then we'll give it center. We center it. So we'll have to go back to main body. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come here and say justify content center, so that it will be centered and center, which is 1. Then we'll now come down to product container, the product container, right? All right. So here, come down here, we give it padding a little margin. Sorry, margin. Give it like 10 pixel margin. Okay, for them. Then what again am I gonna Then the width, basis, just give this one 300 to reduce the basis. All right, so you see how it is now, looking great, looking so great, you know. All right, okay, what we're going to do here is that we're going to come here and say product container. Where is it? Okay, product container, is it image? Product container, okay, this is it. So we're going to put flex 1 here, flex grow 1. So it will grow, okay. Do you see it will adjust to fit in through the in the whole page? It's looking great. So you see what we just created now. The body is ready. The only thing we have to do now is that we have to edit all these boxes. We have to edit the boxes to change the images. Do you understand? We edit the boxes, change the images, and we are good to go. Okay, which is not difficult. So all you need to just, though I'm not going to start changing them now because of time, but if you want to change it, you have to go and copy many other images. Okay, then you come here, put the car here. Okay, I mean change the names, all these names to the names of the images, which I'm not going to do. Okay, just change the names. Once you change the name, then you change the name of this to correspond to the name of the cars that owns the picture. Once you are done with it, it will appear as good as this. Well, let's leave it the way it is now. So what's important here is that you've seen that the website is taking shape. Okay, the top bar is here, the menu is ready, the description is ready, then the product page is ready. Then what is remaining now is the footer. Okay, in the next tutorial we'll finish up with the footer. Congratulations, we are finishing it up within few minutes. I don't know if we're up to 1 hour. If we've gotten up to 1 hour, and we're almost done with the home page, and our website is looking so appealing, so amazing. Okay, so like I said before, if you are getting interested and you're ready to register in our institute, don't waste time. Okay, just follow instruction. You're going to see a button below this page. Click on that button to register. You can also chat me up if you have any questions, so that I will give you a guide. Thank you so much.